Are you ready to elevate your skills and master AutoCAD Architectural 3D modeling? This comprehensive course will take you from beginner to expert. Hi, I'm Marwan Sufyan. Since 2013, I've been delivering vocational training in construction technology, CAD, BIM, and STEM. With over a decade of experience, I've helped countless learners around the globe gain practical job-ready skills. This course bridges the gap between learning and doing. You'll create real-world projects and master advanced techniques that can elevate your career. This course is perfect for students, professionals, and anyone looking to enhance their AutoCAD 3D modeling skills. All you need to get started is basic familiarity with AutoCAD 2D tools and architectural drawings. This course covers everything you need, from mastering AutoCAD's 3D interface to crafting detailed models and bringing them to life with advanced rendering and visualization techniques. We'll begin with foundational skills like navigating the interface, solid modeling, and managing the UCS. Then move on to advanced techniques including surface and mesh modeling, applying PBR materials, material mapping, and creating dynamic lighting setup, self-illumination, using S3 maps, sun and artificial lighting. Practice with real-world exercises from modeling interior components to designing complex roof and dome structures. Apply your skills to sample projects that take you through every step of creating professional architectural models. Learn how to generate 2D plans, elevations, and sections from your 3D models, streamlining the documentation process for professional architectural projects. Get expert supports through Q&A with guaranteed quality. Don't wait. Take your first step towards becoming a professional AutoCAD 3D modeling expert. Enroll today. Thank you, and I can't wait to see you in the course. Let's start your journey to success together.